I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone. Make sure your carrier supports Wi-Fi calling and your SIM is active. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and update Realme system app so settings show correctly. Once done, open Settings, tap SIM and Network, select your SIM, and find Wi-Fi calling. Turn it on and grant any permission prompts. Make sure VoLTE is enabled if your carrier requires it, because Wi-Fi calling often works in tandem with VoLTE for seamless voice handoff. Next, configure details and test. This is where most setups succeed or fail. Open the Wi-Fi calling menu and choose your calling preference. Wi-Fi preferred if you want indoor calls always over Wi-Fi. If prompted, enter an emergency address so 911 routing works correctly. This is required in some regions. Then place a short test call to a friend or voicemail and watch for the Wi-Fi calling icon on the call screen. If the call connects cleanly, you're nearly finished. To finish, verify call quality over Wi-Fi and confirm the Wi-Fi calling indicator appears during active calls. Make adjustments. Allow phone app permissions, keep background data enabled, and avoid restrictive Wi-Fi captive portals. If calls drop or won't connect, try this key troubleshooting tip. Toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then reconnect Wi-Fi and restart the phone. This forces re-registration with the carrier. If that fails, reset network settings or contact your carrier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.